Hello, hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Yes, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, April the 12th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, 2 out of 9. The 3 stars. Well, it seems this one is a 4 stars. Then we have a 4 stars Sudoku. And 3 puzzles are left: the killer Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic. Alright, let me continue with the third puzzle. Puzzle number 43997. 4397. Okay. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then now I need to think. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. And I know. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We need to compare. Yeah, it seems like we need to compare. Can I compare the rows? No. Double one, double no. Double O. Do we have double O here? No. So we need to compare the columns then. O10. Do we have O10 here? Here. This column and the fourth column. 0011, 0011, 00, empty box, 11. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. A quick one to solve. Only one time comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.